is and you said it, and your face can say it all, so I know you meant it. And if I lose my way, well, I know where to find you. Well, I know where to find you. Then I looked you in the eyes with the promise, light brighter than the stars, I'll finish what I started. And if you lose your way, you'll know where to find me. In the dark of the night, follow the light, come back home. In the dark of the night, follow the light, come back home. I saw you standing there with an open heart and with open arms. You welcomed me. I heard you speak my name with thunder and lightning, pierced through the shadows as you welcomed me. As you welcomed me. In the dark of the night, follow the light, come back home.
Note for the punters in the group that what you don't want to do is go jam a piece of foam so far up the
Like this one here.
so far up the chimney that you got to climb up the damn chimney to get it. But anyway, here goes. It's not too bad, hopefully, except that there could be a rain of 1,000
Bees.
bees
Oh.
that are going to come down. Oh my god. There they are. Oh.
Wave, I'm whispering, are you listening?